What's up guys, it's Claudio from Visualmodo WordPress themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to add custom CSS code to your WordPress website into the right and most simple possible way. Okay, sometimes WordPress themes that you install lets you apply custom codes on your site, sometimes not. So what are the most effective methods to apply custom CSS codes on your WordPress website? This is what we're gonna learn to this video, but before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video, and share this content with a friend of yours, okay? After this, go to WordPress dashboard and I'm gonna teach you two methods, okay? One if you are using the classic WordPress themes, and one if you are using the block WordPress themes. If you are using classic WordPress themes, you're gonna be able to go to WordPress dashboard, review left sidebar of menus, hover mouse over appearance, and click on customize. Click on customize. This is gonna load for you the WordPress customizer, okay? Independently of the amount of options that you see right here, this may change according to your theme, but if you have customizer into the very end of the list, you're gonna always be able to find the additional CSS. All you have to do is click on it, type your code, and hit the publish button into the top section, okay? And the code gonna be applied to all your websites, so gonna be applied globally, okay? After this, let's go back, because we need to focus now into the persons that are not using classic themes, the ones that are using block WordPress themes. And for block WordPress themes, one of my favorite solutions, I know there is others, feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you want to share yours, but in my opinion the best solution is go to WordPress dashboard, review left sidebar of menus, hover mouse over plugins, click on add new plugin, hover your mouse over, review the upper right corner of your screen next to search plugins, click into this empty field and type WP code. Click on install now into the WP code, insert headers, footer, custom code, snippets, WordPress code manager. Click into the activate button. This is gonna be redirecting you to the WordPress plugins list, a list where you can apply and see all of the present plugins on our site. But if you review the WordPress left sidebar of menus, once again, scroll down and next to settings, you're gonna be able to find a new page called custom snippets. And you can hover a mouse over it and click on add snippet. Right here, you can choose some pre-built snippet. The plugin comes with some ready codes, or you can click on add your custom code, new snippet. Click on it, scroll down, type your code. Just remember to, right here into the code type, you change from HTML to CSS snippet, just like this. Now, all you have to do is apply your code, save it, and switch it from inactive to active into the upper right corner of your screen. And of course, apply a name, a title for your code, okay? It's good for your organization because sometimes you need to deactivate the code for some conflicts, of course, okay? And it is simple, easy, and both solutions are free. If you guys enjoyed this video, feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question. I'm gonna be happy in talking to you. And please, don't forget to check out our borderless WordPress plugin, the best free WordPress plugin that when you install you gain widgets, elements, templates, and tools to build up your site using Elementor, Gutenberg, WP Bakery, and many more extra features, all for free, downloaded on WordPress.org. In addition, with our Enzo WordPress theme, a theme that gives you pre-built websites that you can import with a single click, also downloaded on WordPress.org. It's the best free WordPress theme. Moreover, in the case that you want to submit your blog for receiving and publishing guest posts, or to find a blog to collaborate with, go to growth3ws.net and find a collaborator or outreach right here, okay? In addition, in the case that you want to promote your site, your app, your landing page, your game design, go to sites.gallery. You can submit your blog for free, you can submit your site for free, your app, your game, okay? You can be promoted right here on our CSS gallery. And finally, in the case that you want to go premium when doing your site, go to visualmodo.com and purchase the Visualmodo Pass and go premium. So you're gonna have access to all our WordPress themes, plugins, icons, templates, assets, and of course, hundreds of pre-built websites that you can import with a single click. In addition, for pre-built templates, icons, widgets, blocks, and many more tools to create the site of our dreams. And that is, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I see you tomorrow. All the best.